Hi guys, I'm Mahi. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and I really hope that you guys are safe. Okay, so आज का वीडियो होने वाला है थोड़ा सा different. As I asked you guys recently कि आपको उस सीरीज में से कुछ देखना है that I do what's in my wish list. So a lot of you guys said yes. So here is the video. मेरा कोई भी plan नहीं है अभी shopping करने का. But I still wanted to show you guys like what is in my Ajio wish list. So this video is gonna be all about that. You guys can take suggestions and you know जैसे हम किसी friend को suggest करते हैं कि ये देख मेरी wish list ये है, अगर तुझे इसमें से कुछ पसंद है, कुछ खरीदना है तो तू इसमें से ले ले, something like that. So this is very chill series. So I'm gonna make sure that I put up pictures here of the product that I'm talking about and all the links will be in the description box below. So अगर आपको कुछ भी पसंद आए मेरी recommendations में से आप जाके ले सकते हो. So let's talk about Ajio a little. Ajio is like Myntra only. एक shopping platform है, उसका website भी है, उसका app भी है, and I have done like 2 hauls इससे पहले Ajio के, which by the way performed really well. So I'm gonna link them below and in the cards above. So if you're interested in watching that, आप वो भी जाके देख सकते हो. Personally मुझे Ajio की ना footwear बहुत पसंद है, like काफी reasonable होती है. I was saying कि मुझे Ajio के footwear ज़्यादा पसंद है, तो I wanted to show you 2 pairs that I already own from Ajio. First are these ones. These ones are really like pretty. These are in pastel blue, and I think I got it for around 700 to 800, which is an amazing price to pay for such heels because these are actually really comfortable. Then the next pair that I have from Ajio are these. उस टाइम ऐसा फेज चला था मेरा, I was like मुझे ना colored में heels चाहिए, तो I got these. I have a very small shoe size, तो ये 36 है, कभी कभी 35 भी आ जाता है मुझे, but this one is in 36 and yeah, aren't these so pretty. ये भी इसी 700 to 800 रेंज की थी. प्राइस आ जाएगा स्क्रीन पे एग्जैक्टली मैंने कितने में लिया था. Okay, now let's talk about what's in my wish list. Okay, so first product that I want to talk to you about are these shoes. These are so chunky. I mean, अगर आपको पता है, मैंने पहले भी ये बात बोली हुई है किसी काफ़ी वीडियोज़ में, that I love chunky white sneakers and I used to have Fila Disruptors, fake वाले, but yeah, वो ख़राब हो गए अब, तो मैं I'm eyeing these. These are so cool and these are available in like 3 more color shades with white. This one is available for 1619, which is I think a very decent price to pay. Also the good thing is that almost all sizes are available in this piece, so you can definitely go and check it out. All the links will be in the description box below, so no tension. Also Ajio ka return procedure is very simple, like they offer 30 days return and exchange. तो मेरे को एक्चुअली पर्सनली Ajio से कभी कोई प्रॉब्लम हुआ नहीं है, बट आई हैव हर्ड सम टेढ़े मेढ़े रिव्यूज, सो आई डोंट नो, बट पर्सनली मेरा एक्सपीरियंस जो 2-3 बार मैंने शॉप किया है Ajio से, वो अच्छा ही रहा है. ऑल्सो दिस इज नॉट अ स्पॉन्सर्ड वीडियो बाय Ajio, it's just my personal wish list and I thought that I will recommend it to you. Okay, next item that I want to talk about are these heels. So first of all, these are super trendy. Second of all, the sad thing is कि मेरा size available नहीं है. 36 is the only size which is not available, which sucks, you know. But yeah, ये जो इसके straps, I know this looks very basic, but जो इसके actually straps है ना, वो थोड़े puffed है, and which is a very big trend right now. So you can definitely check this one out. Next pair of heels that I really love are these. So these are very basic and इसका एक ही transparent strap है इस पे, and I think it's good for like, you know, daily wear. Like if you are someone who loves to wear at least 1 inch की heel है इसकी, तो it just gives you a good you know, lift. So I really like it. But I have something similar लाइक फ्रॉम ज़ारा, बट उसका हील थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा है, बट आई रियली लाइक इट क्योंकि ये काफ़ी कंफर्टेबल दिख रहा है एंड इट लुक्स, जो ट्रांसपेरेंट स्ट्रैप होता है आई डोंट थिंक इट्स एवर गोना गो आउट ऑफ स्टाइल, क्योंकि काफ़ी अच्छा लगता है पहन के. इट लुक्स क्लासी, भले कितना ही सस्ता हो बट इट डज लुक क्लासी. एंड अगेन दिस इज अवेलेबल इन ऑल द साइजेस, प्लस इट्स प्राइस्ड एट 680 rupees, which is a good price, a good steal, so you can definitely check this one out. Okay, next thing that I liked, I know कि winters जाने वाले हैं, but there are still a few winter items that I liked which are available in like good prices. So first is this turtleneck. This is ribbed turtleneck sweater and it's available for 800 rupees. It's grey, it's a very basic piece and I think you can pair it and style it with a lot of pieces, as I have given you that video, you know, styling a turtle. As I've given you that video, styling a turtleneck in different ways. So definitely go check this one out. It's available in 4 more colors, so that's great. Next thing that I really liked is this sweatshirt. You guys know how much I love with anything lavender, lilac. So this is like really cool sweatshirt. It is like drop sleeves वाला, so जिसका oversize ही थोड़ा fit लगता है, ये उस तरह का है. And this one is available for 639 rupees, which is not a bad price to pay. और अभी जो मौसम चलने वाला है फेब से लेके मार्च तक, उसके लिए यू कैन बाय इट, क्योंकि आई नो ये बहुत ज़्यादा गर्म नहीं होगा, तो परफेक्ट फॉर द सीजन कमिंग नाउ. एंड द गुड पार्ट इज कि सब साइज अवेलेबल है, एक्सेस से लेके XXL तक. सो डेफिनेटली गो एंड चेक इट आउट. दिस वन इज अवेलेबल फॉर 639 rupees. Decent price. Okay, next item that I liked is this quilted zip front hoodie. This is such a smart piece and it's available for only 700 rupees. But the thing is कि सिर्फ एक ही price में available है, which is medium. So if you think that this will fit you, definitely go and buy it, क्योंकि काफ़ी ज़्यादा stunning piece है. Obviously warm होगा, puffer jacket है and it has rose gold hardware detailing, like the zips and the buttons are rose gold. तो black और rose gold का combination काफ़ी cool लगता है. तो if you have अगर आपको लेनी थी puffer jacket, तो definitely go and check this one out, क्योंकि काफ़ी trendy piece है. Also अगली season में काम आ जाएगा. You know, that's what we do. Sale में खरीद के wear it in the next season. Okay, sometimes that's what we do. Okay, next thing that I really liked is this trench coat by Project Eve. Project Eve is a very decent brand, so जो उनका quality वगैरह होता है वो काफ़ी सही होता है. So अगर आपको off sleeves trench coat पसंद है, like it looks really smart with matching pair of pants and इसके नीचे अगर turtleneck पहनाओ तो it looks really classy. So you can definitely check this one out. It is in like this beautiful beige color. It's available in small, medium, large, XL. XS इसका out of stock है, but I think काफ़ी size है choose करने में, तो we can definitely check this one out. Also trench coats always look amazing. Like एकदम से ना तुम्हारा look कैसे आता है, ओहो काफ़ी अब words put करे है. So yeah, this was it. This was everything that was in my wish list. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure that you like it. Comment down below अगर आप सोच रहे हो इसमें से कुछ खरीदने का, because then my work here is done. Yeah, let me know if you like such videos. इस टाइप के videos के नीचे मुझे काफ़ी comments आते हैं कि इसका shopping haul कब आएगा, try on करके बताओ. तो I just want to clear it once again that this is a what's in my wish list tag. I haven't bought these items yet, तो मैं ट्राई ऑन नहीं करके दिखा सकती क्योंकि मेरे पास है नहीं ये सब. सब्सक्राइब कर देना, बेल बटन इज ऑल्सो इम्पॉर्टेंट, एंड आई सी यू गाइज नेक्स्ट टाइम इन माय नेक्स्ट वीडियो. बाय. Yes, before going, I just wanna tell you that this shirt, if you like this shirt, you're not gonna get it because let me show you first. ठीक से ये बहुत पुरानी शर्ट है and it belongs to my dad. Can you believe it? उनके पास इसके साथ का मैचिंग टाई भी था and I remember, and I think it बहुत पुराना शर्ट है. I think 7-8 साल पुराना शर्ट है and when he got this, I was like इतना चमकी पहनोगे पापा आप, and look at me today. So you know, it's a circle. So yeah, I hope that you guys liked it. ये सब मैं बोल चुकी हूँ. सब्सक्राइब कर देना. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलते हैं. बाय.